When it comes to driving in low-light conditions, modern luxury cars are no longer limited to traditional headlights and reflective markers. They now incorporate cutting-edge night vision systems that elevate safety, awareness, and driving confidence to an entirely new level. And among the brands pushing the envelope, names like Mercedes-Benz, BMW, Audi, Lexus, and Cadillac stand out for their sophisticated implementations that seamlessly blend thermal imaging, infrared sensors, and predictive analytics to detect pedestrians, animals, and obstacles long before they appear in the beam of a conventional headlight, offering drivers not only enhanced visibility but also a glimpse into the future of automotive safety technology. With systems like Mercedes-Benz Night View Assist Plus utilizing active infrared lighting combined with a thermal camera to display a high-contrast image directly on the dashboard screen or head-up display, allowing the driver to spot humans and larger animals, even in total darkness, while automatically highlighting potential hazards and alerting the driver through visual cues, whereas BMW's night vision with pedestrian detection goes a step further by integrating infrared cameras with dynamic warning systems that can highlight pedestrians in real time, trigger automatic braking if necessary, and provide a thermal outline of any moving object, creating an almost supernatural sense of awareness that merges seamlessly with the luxury experience. And then there's Audi, which offers its night vision assistant in models like the A8, using far-infrared technology to project a thermal image of the road ahead onto the driver's virtual cockpit, differentiating between humans, larger animals, and vehicles, giving drivers a clear sense of their surroundings even in the pitch-black countryside. While Lexus integrates their night view with pedestrian detection and automatic emergency braking in models such as the LS, combining advanced thermal cameras with radar to predict potential collisions and alert drivers with intuitive visuals and audio warnings, demonstrating a careful blend of safety and comfort. And Cadillac's Super Cruise and night vision technology in vehicles like the Escalade and CT6 takes a slightly different approach by offering a combination of infrared imagery displayed in the dashboard and adaptive headlight systems that can selectively illuminate portions of the road, reducing glare and enhancing detection of pedestrians, animals, or unexpected obstacles, emphasizing both proactive and reactive safety measures that instill confidence in night driving. And beyond the technology itself, these luxury night vision systems represent a paradigm shift in automotive engineering, where the integration of machine perception and human awareness transforms nighttime driving from a potentially stressful activity into a controlled, almost effortless experience, highlighting the growing importance of visibility, predictive safety, and driver assistance features as part of the overall luxury vehicle experience. As the next generation of cars pushes even further, incorporating artificial intelligence to recognize patterns, anticipate movement, and communicate with other advanced driver assistance systems, ensuring that even in the darkest conditions, drivers have maximum situational awareness and a heightened ability to react to potential hazards, ultimately redefining what it means to combine luxury, performance, and safety, and proving that these high-end vehicles are not just about comfort, speed, or style, but about a commitment to innovation that protects lives while providing an unparalleled driving experience, with every manufacturer striving to improve detection range, system accuracy, and user-friendly interfaces so that the driver can intuitively interpret thermal images, receive warnings without distraction, and enjoy peace of mind that comes from knowing that no matter how dark the road ahead may be, the car's sophisticated night vision system is actively working to identify risks, differentiate between pedestrians and animals, adjust the display for optimal contrast, and integrate seamlessly with adaptive headlights, emergency braking, and collision avoidance systems, making nighttime driving safer, more controlled, and remarkably more luxurious. And as technology continues to advance, the future holds promise for even more intelligent systems that can predict not only visible hazards but also environmental factors like fog, rain, or sudden obstacles, ultimately turning the night into a fully illuminated, comprehensible space for drivers of the world's most advanced luxury cars, where comfort, performance, and safety coexist without compromise, ensuring that whether you are navigating a winding mountain road, a quiet suburban street, or a busy city avenue, the night vision technology embedded in these high-end vehicles offers a combination of peace of mind, cutting-edge innovation, and a glimpse into the transformative potential of modern automotive engineering, making every night drive an experience defined by clarity, confidence, and the unmistakable prestige that comes with owning one of the most technologically sophisticated vehicles available today.